All right, let's dive into a piece of technology that you've probably never even thought about, but it quietly keeps one of the world's biggest industries running. Now, this isn't about some flashy, futuristic robot. Nope. This is about solving a really basic, really annoying problem with some brilliant engineering. We are talking about the automatic potato peeler. But first, let me ask you something. If you picture a huge professional kitchen during a crazy busy dinner service, what do you think is the one thing that slows everything down? You know, the biggest bottleneck? Is it the grill? The fryer station? Well, the answer is probably not what you think.
For a ton of professional kitchens, the answer is what they call the potato problem. And yeah, it's a challenge that comes down to just one thing, a mountain of potatoes.
And look, we're not talking about peeling a handful of potatoes for a family dinner here. We are talking about a literal mountain of spuds that has to be prepped every single day. For big hotels, busy restaurants, massive catering operations, it's just a relentless, never-ending grind. And that grind has a real cost. I mean, first off, it's super labor-intensive, right? You're paying someone for hours to do a pretty low-skill job. Then you've got inconsistent results. Some potatoes are peeled too much, some not enough. That leads to a ton of food waste. It all adds up to a massive drain on time, money, and just the kitchen's whole flow. You see a problem like this, and it's just begging for an engineering solution, right? I mean, what if you could take this totally manual, inefficient chore and turn it into a fast, clean, and perfectly consistent operation? Well, that, of course, brings us to the hero of our story today. Let's talk about the automated solution that is a total game changer for these kitchens. Now, don't think of this as just another kitchen gadget. It's actually defined as an intelligent solution. See, the goal here isn't just to get the skins off potatoes. It's to fundamentally upgrade the kitchen's entire operation, making it way more productive and, this is the big one, way more profitable. And these things are built like absolute tanks. We're talking tough, food-grade stainless steel, designed to run all day, every day, in the most demanding spots you can imagine. They're engineered for continuous, heavy-duty use. And because of how they're built, they're easy to clean, which, as you know, is absolutely crucial for food safety. So how in the world does this thing actually work? Well, its design is just a fantastic example of using smart, precision engineering to solve a really practical and really expensive problem. Okay, this is the core of its genius right here. It's basically a two-for-one deal. You don't need to wash the potatoes first. The dirty potatoes just go right in, and the machine handles both the washing and the peeling in one smooth, automated cycle. And what comes out? Clean, perfectly prepped potatoes ready to go. But how does it peel so well without turning the potato into mush? So the secret sauce is this advanced abrasive lining on the inside of the drum. Think of it like a really, really smart sandpaper that's been engineered to be just rough enough to take off the skin, and only the skin. It saves so much of the actual potato, which directly attacks that huge waste problem we were talking about earlier. And this just lays it all out, doesn't it? Let's put them head to head. Speed, manual is slow, automatic is lightning fast. Consistency, a person is going to be inconsistent, but the machine, flawless every single time. And the big one, waste, goes from significant to minimal. I mean, it is a knockout, a clear win across the board. But here's the thing, the impact here is way bigger than just a bucket of peeled potatoes. Putting a machine like this in a kitchen has this strategic ripple effect that completely changes the whole business side of the operation. I love how the source material puts this. It calls the machine a strategic asset that pays dividends. That's some powerful language, right? It totally reframes this thing. It's not just another expense you have to buy. It's an investment that actively makes money back for the business. So what are those dividends? Well, right away, your labor costs go down. The kitchen's overall productivity shoots up because prep time gets slashed. The food you serve is more consistent, which customers love. And like we said, the whole operation is more hygienic. It's a win-win-win-win. And honestly, this might be the most important part of all. This isn't about replacing chefs. It's about getting rid of the most boring, tedious, repetitive part of their job. It frees up their time and their talent so they can focus on what they're actually brilliant at, cooking amazing food and creating those exceptional experiences for all of us. So as we wrap up, it kind of leaves us with this really fascinating question to chew on. We've seen how some smart engineering can solve a problem that's literally as old as cooking itself.
So if a machine can perfect something as simple as the humble potato, what other boring everyday chore is just waiting out there for its own technological revolution? Really makes you think.